Oh, yeah, pronounce it again.
I told you move your hand. Remove your hand.
I forgot how to.
Mekwalabe.
Makwalabe.
And she's recording your nonsense. Yeah?
No.
She's recording your nonsense on video. See my proof. Ah.
Oh, she's not.
Hey, interview everybody. Take. Oh.
Okay, I'm interviewing everybody. This is annually. She's been taking care of everybody, especially Nedum. Nedum said, I will not eat jollof rice, only fufu, and she must use Jiffy from the USA. So she's making it for him. You see, love? Go and smile. Because if it's me, he won't eat. Eh? Go and say your name. Fatty Bum Bum. Next. Say your name. Okay.
Michael Somto.
Somto. This is our Auntie Gloria's daughter.
Yeah.
And this is also our Auntie Gloria's daughter. This is
The big sis.
This is Amaka. Silva, don't make me slap the fire from your face. Let me go and find somebody else. Okay, I'm interviewing everybody. Come on, say your name.
Hello,
Who are you?
I'm Francis.
Uh-huh. This is our Auntie Gloria's only son. How many sisters do you have?
How many do I have? These are five.
5 sisters. He looks just like IK. Come and stand next to IK. You people should come and stand next. I asked them if they're not sure that we have the same father. And it's not uncle and Okay, your turn. Who are you?
Gloria.
Gloria. She's named after Gloria. Everybody else is hiding. We'll get them later. Oh yeah, everybody say bye-bye.
Bye.